Hello friends, today we are going to solve a peculiar issue with LG TV. Its magic remote not working. You can see that you are trying so hard but your magic remote is not responding. The cursor, the wheel is not working at all. And most often you will see the message at the right side corner which says that the unknown device disconnected. And immediately after that, you will see that your magic remote is unresponsive. Today, we are going to solve this problem. But one suggestion which I'd like to give you is that if your television is under warranty, then do not try this process because it will void your warranty. We're going to open the television from the back, and it is extremely easy process. With little skills, you will be able to open your TV without an issue. The first thing which you have to do is to switch off the power and take out the plug from power socket. Then you need to take out all the cables attached to your television. It may be an HDMI cable, a USB cable, or audio output, or even an internet cable which is connected to your television. Remove everything from the ports. Since we are going to open the television, we don't want to damage the screen. We'll place some pillows on the table so that we will not damage our screen. After that, with the help of your friends, you can place the television on the pillows. The first thing which you need to do is you need to remove all the screws from the television, starting from the stand, and later, one after another, remove all the screws from the back of the televisions. Depends upon your TV, but generally I see there are 13 to 14 screws which I unscrewed. Be careful before you open the panel back that you have removed all the screws from the television. There are some hidden screws which I like to highlight. These are at the port area. Once you check that all the screws are removed, slowly take out the panel back. Now, at the bottom where the switch is, there exactly is your problem area. The process is very simple. You have to take out the port, clean it, and box it back. You need to open the screw for removing that small panel. Turn it back, and here is that port which you need to remove. So I'm going to remove it slowly and carefully. So I'm going to remove it slowly and carefully. It's very easy. This port we need to clean using the paintbrush. And also to the socket. Just blow through air so that there should not be any dust. Put back and box it again. Then screw it back to its location and after that box back the back panel of the television. Plug the wires, switch on the television, and you will see that your remote start responding. Your magic remote, the cursor is moving as it was earlier. Thank you very much for watching my channel.